Hi, everyone. Welcome to our productivity crash course of project management strategies for leaders. I'd like to welcome back Helene Segura, who did a beautiful job of talking to us about time management last month, and we're excited to have her back to talk about project management.
At the most basic level, you can say that project management first starts with ideas. Then it moves on to the second component, which is planning. Once you've done the planning, then you're doing two components simultaneously, and that is implementing and also communicating. Once the plan is completed, then from the very beginning, part of communication should be setting expectations and parameters. Having all of the scope laid out, not just for everybody at EIQ who needs to work on this, but sharing the applicable portions of the scope with vendors so they understand how important their role is in getting you what you need by the given time. And it's extremely important that your customers and your clients, if this project is for them, you are setting the expectations. You are setting the parameters, the boundaries, whatever words you want to use, but they need to be aware of what the timeline is. So number one, they aren't taking your time by constantly asking for a status update because you have given them the expectations from the beginning and you are staying in contact with them throughout to give them an update. And it's especially important that the applicable portions of the scope are shared with them so they understand how they fit into the deadline if you are expecting information from them, if you are expecting decisions from them. So communication with that client or customer is extremely important. Leadership team members from different departments communicating with each other, that is huge. And then just team members. And so communication is almost as important as a plan. Without the plan, then there's nothing to communicate about. So that's why the plan will always be the most important. But communication is a key piece of implementing the plan.